Alright guys, so I've been bullshit for too long, so Ralph's taking matters into his own hands right now.
Bro, stop wasting time. We gotta get the green Datsun working.
Life is too short, too important to waste time on this filthy human piece of garbage.
So we need this green Datsun running because we're gonna take it to Freddy's shop and do some donuts. And this one we don't care if it blows up.
Hey.
And it's almost there. It's like we're so close.
Hey guys, in the comments, let us know what we should call this one. We're gonna call it Green Machine, but Freddy already has a green machine. Maybe we could call it the
Green Machiner?
Olive Green Machine.
Olive Green Machine?
I don't know. Y'all tell us in the comments below. I know. I'll put the fuel filter at the bottom. For some reason, Luis decided to dress up like El Chapo. Look at Luis, everybody. He thinks he's El Chapo.
What's up guys, I'm El Chapo. I'm gonna do El Chapo things and see you guys in jail.
Speak up!
Alright, where do we put the fuel filter?
About right now. Fuel filter from under the car.
This is the old one.
The old one.
Can't really see inside of it, but it was like I don't think this was meant for a full, like an engine. I think this is like a pre-fuel pump filter. I don't know, but it's tiny compared to this one. This one looks like a normal filter. It's way bigger.
Wimpy, wimpy, wimpy. Hefty, hefty, hefty. We'll add fuel line
From here. Oh,
from there to the rail over here on this side.
replace that side of the rail
Yeah, we're gonna place that rail.
because it's a little leaky. You can't really. Maybe we'll see it in the sunlight.
Or like in superhero movies when they're the ones who can run fast and they're just like.
What's that movie with Dom Toretto?
Yeah, how does he do it on the Flash? Something like that.
What's that movie with Vin Diesel? He has glasses like those, doesn't he?
Triple X.
Yeah, Triple X.
What does he say? Welcome to the Xander zone or something like that. The lines measured up to go from the fuel filter to the fuel rail. In the Datsun, in the green one. Still need a name for it. I think you call it Mean Joe Green. But we need to go ahead and cut the line. I think it'd be really interesting if Luis tried to cut it while recording with one hand and cutting with the other hand.
You want me to do that?
So it's up to you, bro, all the way. No,
What if it goes?
I'm not gonna hold it.
Oh,
Completely you.
nah.
Alright, bro, I'll do it because you scared, bro. That's what you were scared of, bro? Alright. I just installed this fitting over the line. And now I'm putting this fitting into this fitting. It's like fitting incest. Now I gotta.
You think they can get married?
No, I mean, they could, but
If it was Alabama?
people would judge them.
Or what's the one in Mexico? Monterrey?
Monterrey. It's crazy. I feel like to marry your cousin, you either gotta be very trashy or very, very classy. You're either royalty or you're garbage. If I don't turn this to the exact perfect degrees, this whole car will blow up on the first start. Or it'll just strip, you know?
Alright, so I trusted Ralph with the most important part of this car, which is the fuel supply line. So if this leaks at all, we have exhaust exposed really close to the engine, more than a normal engine would. So if any fuel even touches it, it catches on fire. So do you think you got this this hose?
Yeah, no problem. No pressure, no problem.
Well, actually, no pressure is a big problem.
For you, maybe.
I mean, for the car, if it's getting no fuel pressure, then we're getting no engine start. You have to be careful with those.
Okay, can you shut up and let me focus? God. That's not gonna fit in nice and tight. She are gonna like that.
Oh, all right. That looks pretty good. Okay, so we got the fuel supply. We got the new filter.
I built a car.
Way over here. Yeah, that looks good.
Hell yeah.
I say. Now all we got to do is probably just replace this
fuel rail.
This fuel rail, and then see if it starts. We need this fuel rail because this one's leaky. Can we see it on video? Kind of looks a little leaky. Some corrosion around it. Looks like it's been leaking for a while. So we're just gonna get a used one because we have an extra one. All right, so we got the new fuel rail on. We replaced it. This one is not dirty on the outside.
We're gonna lube up these tips so that they can insert a little more smoothly. This is purely technical. If you're minding somewhere else, get help.
Stop it. Get some help.
Hey, like, subscribe. Let us know what you want us to do or not to do. And we love y'all. And keep watching our videos. And share it to somebody random, and they'd be like, what's this? And be like, just watch, trust me. Even if there's nothing that piques their interest, just say that. Lie to people, lie to your friends, lie to your family. Goodbye.
We finally fixed the matcha latte. It had some issues, but it should run perfectly right now.
Yeah, new mass airflow sensor, new fuel filter, new fuel rail. So let's test it out. The last time we tried to do donuts in it, my bad luck foot broke it and broke all the stuff that we just replaced. So right now, while we got some sunlight, let's go see if this thing can do donuts.
Let's go do donuts.
And then it's this one?
The first one, and then that one, real quick. Yeah. Yeah. Give me some gas. Yeah, to the right. Remember, it kind of has a mind of its own. It's kind of hard to drift, but fuck it.
Bro, is that glass?
Shit, how was that?
It was okay. Ah, shit was badass.
Was that second gear?
That was second gear.
Want a little more?
Alright.
Oh, we're running out of tires. Let me try. Let's get out of here. Cops are coming. It's cutting off.
One of the cops came and they're like, we think it was you doing donuts over there and making all that noise. And we'd be like, nah, no, it wasn't. Like, you mean to tell me this car with the big old V8 sticking out of the front and no real exhaust, just these two fucking pipes coming up, was not making all that noise?
Something happened though. You feel the loss of power?
Yeah.
'Cause it wasn't burning out as hard.
Uh-uh.
I don't know if it got warm or what. This fucks up. And then we have no...
That thing was scraping and you still got in there and did more donuts.
Yeah, man, because I wanted to. It was badass.
When I was burning out, when I was doing donuts,
There's a lot more power.
Were both tires smoking?
I think so.
Yeah, because when you're doing it, I feel like it's just one tire.
Oh,
like
yeah?
the tire that was in the direction you were going. So
You need to probably weld the diff
Yeah, that'd be sick.
on this car. It'd be way better. So for those who do not know, this car caught on fire. A little backstory to this car. This car was sitting in a garage for 15 years before I bought it. The story before I bought it, some guy restored this car, made it super nice, bought it for his girlfriend, and he was like, hey, I'm gonna surprise this girl with it, she's gonna love the car. She looked at it and she hated it. So then they sold it to the next people.
Whore.
Yeah, what a whore. But anyways, the guy did a really bad job. Look, this is how he repaired a panel and he bondoed over it. I didn't see this until the car burned. And when the car burned, it showed all this. This is like, I don't even know what this is. I don't think this is like aluminum or something. It's definitely not steel because it's not rusted.
It's ironed aluminum foil.
But it crumpled up. It had a bunch of rust that was bondoed up.
You know what? I take back what I said about her. She was right.
It was a piece of shit.
It was a piece of shit.
She probably
realized he was a piece of shit too.
Yeah, she probably saw like the body work he was doing, because it wasn't that great. It looked cool, but when you get close to it, like it was really bad everywhere. But yeah, the burns really brought out the ugliness in it.
I like this back window more than that one.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
I like this back window more.
Yep.
These are the more valuable Datsuns. The 240s through the 280Zs. They look a lot rounders, a lot slicker. People like these more. They're worth more. The only reason I bought one of these was because they were dirt cheap. No one really liked these when I bought one, and for my first car I was like, man, it looks close enough to this thing, so fuck it, I'll buy it. Try to make it look cool.
Nah, this one's more sick to me.
Yeah?
Yeah. What y'all think? Let us know in the comments. The 260 or the, what is it, 280?
280ZX.
280ZX.
What sucks about the ZX, it looks ugly without the bumper. Look at it. It looks like a... Like, you see the people without chins?
The people without a chin?
They go like that, like...
Don't talk about the matcha latte like that, bro. The
like
matcha
that.
latte is the coolest car you got.
But these look really cool without bumpers. But they look really cool with bumpers. I like the little skinny bumpers. These only come on the 240Zs and the first year of the two.
This one looks like a fish with the retainer on.
Kind of does. No, but I like the little slick metal. I wish these had it, but these have the big old plastic metal. Big old plastic thing.
What y'all like better, the matcha latte or the... we haven't named this one yet till we build it.
Hey, this looks like exactly like the one from Roadkill.
Roadkill?
Have you seen the
Roadkill
Roadkill one?
Datsun?
Yeah, this looks almost like it. It did have a loss of power, and it always has a loss of power. Even like, you know, when I drifted and I'd hand it to you, it'd lose power.
Yeah.
Which is weird. Unless it's unless it's this again.
Unless the mass airflow goes bad that fast, then it would be a wiring issue.
Yeah, it would. Maybe I just need to get it rewired.
Wait, it really would? Damn, bro.
I don't know.
Can't believe I thought of that on my own.
I mean, it makes sense.
Well, the
But
wires
look,
were hot.
This is hot. This is cooking.
Well, guys, there you have it. So far, so good. We just need to figure out why we had a loss of power. But we're one step closer to being where we want to be.
Yeah, super close.
Well, stay tuned for the next video and you'll figure out what our next problem is.